Hi everybody, it's Sam Lazar here, and I shall be reviewing the Orico Bluetooth adapter. So, all opinions are my own. I paid for this in my own funds. I have no association with Orico or Centricom, which is the store I got to. No one has approved or reviewed this content before I have uploaded, and I've bought from Orico or some of their products a few times before. So let's get into a review and see what this is like. The Bluetooth adapter, so what it does is it connects to your PC through your desktop computer or laptop which doesn't have Bluetooth, like an older one. So it says supported for Windows XP, Vista 7 and 8, as you can tell up here. Windows 7, Vista 8. It says you can connect to, it also works on a laptop, PDA, stereo, mobile, and headset. So I'll plug it into my laptop, and plug into my desktop, for example. Then I can connect my fake Apple AirPods. Yes, I know. So yeah, yep, it supports all that stuff, and you will have to download drivers if Windows or Linux doesn't detect it, but that's alright. So I'm going to unbox it. We'll do a bit of me setting it up on my computer, so capture, and we'll roll from there. Now in this view, so I've got the product, so I'll be unboxing it. So thank God it's an easy one to unbox. So download the driver from the Orico's website. You may not have heard of Orico. They're a pretty good brand. Orico. I'll call them Orico. Unbox it. On the plastic, I can split it because I've got that splitty, teary sort of thing. No, it'll take too long, but there, I undid that. Don't need that. So there's the dongle. So small, and it's pretty amazing. It's, I think, USB 2. It's Bluetooth 4.0. So I'll be showing you how to connect it, and we will roll from there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I've got my gaming laptop. I'm going to be showing you how to set this little receiver up to the computer, and we shall go from there. So what you need to do on your computer is, of course, log on, which I'm doing now. Alright. Alright, I've logged on. Okay, great. Now, get your dongle, preferably plug it into USB 3. It'll be the blue coloured port. And then go from there. If you don't have USB 3, USB 2. But if you've only got a computer with Type-C or Thunderbolt 3, what you need to do is get an adapter. So Type-C to A. So they're pretty quick, they're pretty cheap. They're like $5 from my local store. You can get them for $1 off the internet, $2 from a $2 store. They're really cheap, and they come in many shapes and sizes, and yeah. So I get the dongle and I plug it into, okay, my USB 3, so I plug it in the back here. And it's connected. So now, once it's connected, I'll show you what to do next. Yeah, hi, so I've logged on. Make sure you're up to date, all that stuff. It is plug and play. I thought you had to install drivers, but when I first connected, I was getting weird errors. But it's plug and play. So when you plug in, it'll work. It won't let you plug into computers which already has Bluetooth, like this laptop, for example. So then on the taskbar, you get these range of icons. You have these icons. I have a lot in the background, but Bluetooth device will be one. If you right click, you click Add Device or Show Bluetooth Device or Open Settings. Click one of those three and you get these options. That's where you can hit the plus, Bluetooth, and add a device like my Oppo F1S, which is my camera, and so forth. It's really simple, but make sure your computer is fully up to date before you do this, as you might get issues. So yeah. So yeah, hi, that was the Orico Bluetooth adapter. It does work on Windows. It is plug and play, but only on computers with no Bluetooth, so like my desktop. It does support Mac OS, but I'm not sure how that works in Mac OS app. I don't use it. All the Macs I know of have Bluetooth in them, so there's no real point to buying this little dongle. It looks like one of those mouse dongles, you know, when you get a wireless mouse. I'm Sam. Thank you for watching, and